All right, welcome back. So today, just got going, just left the camper. We are doing, let me adjust this, Deserter Creek Falls. And it's my first hike with any kind of a pack on since surgery, so we shall see how it goes. But it's the first real nice day we've had in 2 weeks. And I left the dogs in the camper this time because apparently it's a bit of a scramble where the road is washed out, and you'll see. This in front of me used to be the main road until they diverted it over there last year. It washed out in 2018. So the hike is extra long because you have to get to where it washed out plus all this extra. Right there was the road. Well, it kind of went like that, but it's all gone now. Before, 3 years ago, you used to be able to walk on this section, but look, it's just totally gone. So as you can see, the road is long gone. So now, I assume this is the well-marked path because it's very different than the last time I was here. But this looks very well marked and orange ribbon. I want to say, I think it was the Caledonia Ramblers. I will fact check that once I get back to the camper, their group on Facebook, that came through and redid this trail and marked it and cut all the wood out of the way. So if you're ever out this way, you know who to appreciate for their hard work. Because I'm so grateful for it. Yeah. God, I feel good. Like just healthy. Enjoy it. Nothing's permanent. Just came from way up there. Whew. Wow. Look at that, eh? Oh. Now the trail is getting awesome. Out of the bush. I didn't know this. I think I might stop here on the way back. This will be where I have lunch. I wonder what this is all about. I don't know. It's a bit of a tripping hazard. I wonder what it's from. Something. Look how pretty that is. So there is old stumps in here. And if I'm not mistaken, I'd say this is an old road now. Just look it up. There's nothing on either side. Long gone. But who knows? Yep, definitely an old road. There's a stump there. And you can see where a dozer, way back in the day, pushed through on either side. Relatively fresh bear crap. to the people that dragged motor chainsaws all the way in here, and big chainsaws to cut this wood. I salute you. There's good people in the world. And you know what? Watching the news, you wouldn't think so. And if you get off social media and just get out and meet people, the world's a lot better than you think. There's so many good people out there doing good stuff, volunteering their time, search and rescue, fire medics, all that stuff. People that make the world go round. Anyway, just my outlook, I guess. I don't know if you'll hear it on the audio, but I'm getting close to rushing water. I can hear it. I've never actually been to the falls. Never all the way. Just because of road washouts and all that. So, I'm super excited to see it. Look at that. There's a trail going up the other side. Well, that's a wrap for today. I got 6 kilometers to get out of here, so time to start making miles. There's giant fissures. There's a couple back behind me opening up as the land is shifting. It's super interesting to see it all sloughing away. Like this hole is just one big slab. Well, slabs. Huh. It's definitely neat. Stay on the trail. Okay guys, all packed up, ready to rock and roll. That was an 11-kilometer hike. It was a good one. Whew. We're gonna go find a camping spot and call it a night. So I'm not sure where, but it's all part of living on the adventure. Puppies are sore and tired because they had boosters and rabies shots this morning. So I don't expect we'll be hearing much but whining.